All right, we'll begin the show with a look at Noida, Ghaziabad and Bhiwadi. Top three markets we'll discuss, but in just a bit. First, our top story. The nation will elect a new government in just a few months from now. And with the new financial year around the corner, the real estate industry is hoping to bring some fresh ideas and fresh incentives passed with the new government in the centre. Revisiting taxation provisions seems to be on top of the industry's wish list. Oinitam Ojha tells us what kind of tax breaks the industry is looking to win.
A long list of demands from the real estate industry. Top of the list, industry wants the government to drop Section 43CA, a provision in the Income Tax Act under which the developer will have to pay a notional income on any transaction done below the circle rate. If a developer sells a flat and the stamp duty, which is based on circle rate, is higher than the sale price, then under Section 43CA, the stamp duty will be taken as the basis for tax calculations. Therefore, the developer will have to pay more as income tax, despite the fact that he has actually sold the property for less. The provision has also impacted transactions which took place several years back.
Certain agreements or certain sale which happened in 2008-2009, but the agreements were registered today. The prices have moved significantly high, and therefore there is a gap between the circle rate and the price at which the deal was done in 2008, because of which again this provision is applicable. But on a very large scale basis, I think the price at which the developer is selling today is more or less more than the stamp duty value.
Industry leaders say that imposition of provisions like Sections 43CA, 50C and 56(2)(7)B actually translate to double taxation, impacting both the seller and the buyer.
Even if your property is not sold and it is stock in hand, you will have to pay income tax on it. That means even without realizing the money, you become accountable to pay tax. If it is booked and is in the hands of a property buyer, even then, the income which will accrue to him when he will sell it, and since it is in your books, so even he pays the tax, you pay the tax. So you're charging double tax on one factor. It's an extremely damaging provision.
Easing tax provisions has been a long-standing demand of the real estate industry. But with the economy in doldrums and the current account deficit and fiscal deficit still on the higher side, the finance minister might need more time to give what the industry needs. In New Delhi, Oinitam Ojha, NDTV.
All right, those were the demands that the industry is putting forward for some tax breaks from the new government that will come into the centre. Let's get on with your Q&As. We have Rajiv Shukla joining us on the show. Hi Rajiv, what's your question for us?
Yeah, hi Rashida. My question is,